step-by-step guide on how you can use Walmart Pay at a register. First, you want to download and set up the Walmart app. Here you can pause and read through how you can do that. And then let's say that you already have the Walmart Pay set up. We will shop and proceed to checkout. Shop for your items and proceed to a regular checkout register. The cashier will scan all of your items, or you can scan them at the self-service kiosk if that's available at register. You will let the cashier know you're using Walmart Pay. Once all of your items have been scanned and you're ready for payment, inform the cashier that you will use Walmart Pay. Open up Walmart Pay on your phone. You want to open up the Walmart app on your phone and then tap the Walmart Pay icon. Scan the QR code. A QR code will appear on the card reader screen or register screen. You will use your Walmart app's Walmart Pay scanner to scan the QR code displayed on screen. Confirm the payment. Once you scan the QR code, the payment will process through the app. A confirmation will appear on both your phone and the checkout register screen. Get your receipt. That's the final step. A digital receipt will be available in your Walmart app. You can also request a printed receipt from the cashier if needed. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.